Okay, here we are again, guys. Keep on watching, there's more to come. The boys have slid the house across. As you can see, there's the stump where the house used to be. It's got 1.5 meters over. They've done that in the last hour. Done a good job. And then they'll be on the way up shortly. They're just making sure they get it in rough position, getting it all right, ready to go, taking the soaps out so they can then lift another 1.6 meters. So let's move that over. Nice room down here now. So they're getting it all ready for the next stage. So yeah, that's sliding a house. That's getting busy. You've seen on some of my other videos how we slide houses. That's what they're doing. So moving along, and yeah, going well. So I've got to move along to my next job myself. So leave these boys at it, and we'll catch them all up soon. Okay. Thanks for watching. Come join us again as we keep on seeing how this house is going. Go Skippy, go baby, go. As the boys like having a bit of fun while they're working. But yeah, here we go, and yeah, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. We very much appreciate it as we build this channel and try and get more and more things for you to have a look at and help learn. We all learn together as to what goes on around the planet. Many things happen, and this is just one of the many millions of things that happen every day across this wonderful planet of ours. Okay guys, thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.